You really need to have the will to beat everyone else. Without that, you can't be successful. Well, I started racing when I was 3 years in a go-kart, so racing was always a family thing. There was always a drive to become a professional race car driver. While I was in Carrera Cup, seeing those cars behind me race at Le Mans was definitely a big push, trying to become a factory driver and race at Le Mans myself. Well, after winning the Carrera Cup in 2000 and then 2001 winning the Supercup, started talking to Porsche about becoming a factory driver. First race then was Daytona 2002 together with my teammate Timo Bernhard. We won the race together and then both signed a deal as a factory driver. I didn't really realize how big Le Mans is till I first went there myself in 2002 and that was quite mind-blowing. Well, 2004 was my first Le Mans win. Being on the podium was definitely a special feeling, a feeling you will never forget. Year after year coming back to Le Mans, really tried hard to get the second win, and then 2019 finally paid off. So that was definitely a good way to end my professional career. The feeling and the ambitions when you get in, I would say for me at least, were always the same. I get in the car and I want to win, I want to perform as good as I can. So it's good to have Mobil 1 as a partner with Porsche. Yeah, definitely it helps if you have brands around you that have the ultimate will to win the races. The partnership with Mobil 1 definitely helps Porsche because they are also just trying to push the boundaries as much as possible, get the most performance and reliability out of the lubricants and therefore out of the engine, and that's super important for us at Porsche. Yeah, after the active racing career, now being a development driver and brand ambassador is the second dream job. A lot of racing technology we developed at Le Mans or other tracks we're taking then to the road cars. Good lubricant really helps you to achieve more power and therefore more performance out of the car, and that's something not only on the racetrack but you also want in your daily driver.